How to add Google Search Console in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a popular open source content management system that you use for creating and managing websites and blogs. And from here, all you need to do is simply go to your browser and kindly go to your WordPress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. However, to start adding the Google Search Console in our WordPress account, all we need to do in here is to simply go on the next tab in here and simply search this Google Search Console. And after that, you simply click the first link that come up. Upon clicking on it, it will show you in here the option, which is this button click Start Now. Upon doing so, it will show you in here that I've already added my Google Search Console in here. But to do that, all you need to do is simply click this Add Property button upon clicking the Search Property. And it will show you in this pop-up window the two options, which is domain and using URL prefix. And in those options, I'm going to choose to use this domain. And all you need to do is simply enter here the domain name. And I'm using this hostinger since I've already have here these domains. So can I click the domain section in here on the left side panel and click the manage options. And from here, I'm just going to select or highlight this domain and simply paste it directly in here. Upon pasting it, just click the continue button to proceed. And it will show you that your currently property is being verified. And in order for the verification of the ownership, you need to follow this step. And all you need to do is simply copy this txt record below in here in the DNS configuration. So can I click this copy button, and after that, in our hostinger in here, can I click the DNS name servers button on the left side panel. Upon choosing here, just simply click this DNS record section and click here this manage DNS records, and under this type, kindly select here the txt. You can simply enter here txt, and after that, all you need to do is simply select here and simply paste here the code that we just copied earlier. Then click add record, but make sure to not customize the TTL and many more. And after that, it will now show you below here the record that has been added. And for the verification to be processed, just simply go back in here and click the verify button to proceed. And it will show you in which it will take a minute for the verification of ownership to be processed. You could also click this go to property button, or from here you can simply track the performance, indexing, the URL inspection, pages, sitemaps, removals, and many more. So basically connecting Google Search Console to WordPress serves as a purpose for monitoring and improving your website's performance in Google search result. And after connecting Google Search Console, it is also recommended to add a sitemap to our WordPress. And to do that, just click the sitemaps option on the left side panel. By clicking on it, from here all we need to do is simply enter the sitemap URL. And to see it or paste this, just simply go to our dashboard of our WordPress, and on the left side panel, kindly click the install plugins or add new plugins in here. Upon clicking the add new plugins, you simply go to the search bar and kindly search for this plugin called all-in-one SEO. And upon searching on it, it will show you below the result, and just simply click this one, install this one by clicking the install button right here. And after that, all you need to do is to simply activate this after installing it. So can I click this activate button to proceed. And after successfully activating it, you'll now be able to start using this in order to start adding our sitemap. But make sure to get started to fill out the required information or click the save and continue button below here in order to get started using this kind of plugins. So again, just click the save and continue button right here. And after that, using this, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. So now to proceed, you can start clicking here or find the sitemaps option under all-in-one SEO. You could also go to this dashboard to look for it, or alternatively, you'd also start clicking on the left side panel here, this option that says sitemaps. By clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and it will show you this open sitemaps. So all you need to do is simply copy the link URL of this one by right clicking on it and just click the copy link URL. Then simply paste it directly in here or add new sitemap. Then click submit button to proceed. And after that, you'll now be able to see here the sitemap is now submitted successfully. So overall, the purpose of connecting Google Console to WordPress is that it allows website owners to track how their site is indexed, identify search queries that bring in traffic, and detect technical issues like crawl, errors, broken links, or mobile usability problems. And by linking Google Search Console to WordPress, you can gain access to valuable data about user behavior, keyword performance, and indexing status. And that is just how you can add Google Search Console in WordPress.